Hey, what's up, everybody's? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my another video. And those who are new to my channel, my name is Priyanka, and I make videos on food, on travel vlogs, recipes. You can check down the list of videos, and you will come to know what type of videos I make. So, the great summers are here, and we all know if it's very hot, we don't feel to eat anything. But I must tell that if you include this yogurt recipe in your everyday diet, this will keep you hydrated as well as it is nutritious, and it will also increase the taste of your food. So, I must say that must include in your diet every day. This is the savory one. We begin with the recipe now. Let's see how to make it. First of all, here I am taking 1 cup of yogurt. This is thick yogurt. See, you can see it's thick. You can keep consistency according to you, but the thing is it should be smooth. This is 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to add, this is the water of cucumber. I didn't threw this, so I'm going to add this one, and this is grated cucumber. Cucumber has lots of water and it's a very cool ingredient for summer, so must add this. After this, I'm going to add 1 onion, 1 small onion. Onion is also again a very nice ingredient for the summers. You have heard like if it's very warm, like heat stroke or something is there, you must always have onion and then go outside of the house. And now I'm going to add 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes. You can also use normal tomatoes, but the reason I use cherry tomatoes is because they are a little sweeter than the normal ones, that's why. But if you don't have, need not to find it or like need not to get panic. It's like just add normal tomatoes which we use in vegetable. Now going to add a little bit of normal salt, and of course little bit of pink salt, which we also call like a black salt or kala namak, because this gives amazing flavor to the raita. This is almost done, but next step is completely optional. If you want, you can add it, but if you want to eat like this, you can just have this like this. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon of ghee. I recommend ghee for this thing. This is we call tadka. No else can bring the flavor what ghee brings. So, and I don't have a small pan, so if you have a small pan, do it in a small pan. Here it's going to melt, and then we add other ingredients. Going to add cumin seeds. When it's nicely done, I'm going to add this asafoetida. This gives amazing flavor. Also is very good for digestion, and at this time I have closed the flame and going to add less than 1/4 like red chili powder, and yes, this is done. And if you want like a little more smoky flavor, immediately after putting this, I'm going to cover this. It's like, and see, this is done. Enjoy with your friends and family. Actually, this is very basic, but it's very yummy. I'm going to place this mint leaf here, and here you are. Enjoy. I hope you like the first recipe. Yes, that was very basic, but was a yummy one. Now we begin with the second recipe, which is a sweet one. I am using pineapple in this one, and this you can also serve as a dessert. And I must say, you will be happy to have a dessert which is healthy too, and especially in summers. So let's begin with the second recipe. Again, 1 cup of yogurt. See the consistency. I'm using this much thick. If you want, you can also choose according to yourself. If you want to put more thicker, you can do thicker. But for me, this is good consistency. And this is like very easy, get ready in a minute, so it's very quick. Now in this, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of pineapple cubes. These are caned ones. I am using caned ones. If you are using fresh one, make sure that you put them in for 1 hour in a sugar syrup. Otherwise it will become bitter, you know. I have also experienced that, so I'm sharing with you. And these are the canned ones. It's easy to use the canned ones because it won't get bitter if you put for 1 or 2 hours. But I will say consume it in 3 to 4 hours because it's always nice to eat fresh. And going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's already sweet, so I'm not adding a lot. But one more thing, if you want to avoid this sugar, you can also do that. It's completely fine. If you want to eat less sweet, that's good. Then it will be more healthy also. Or you can add honey, whatever you like. But honey will change the color of the curd. Also, if you use brown sugar, that will also change the color. So yeah, that's the thing. And last but not the least, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. A pinch of salt, not a lot. The taste of these things enhanced, like sweet things enhanced, when you add a little bit of salt in this. So yes, it's ready. See, in minutes it's got ready. I must check the salt and sugar. That's perfect. So here we are. I'm going to garnish it with mint leaf, and here you are, we are ready. I hope you like these recipes. Yes, these were the basic one, but I'm sharing for my friends, those who just begin with the kitchen, you know, those who just started cooking. So give it a try and comment down in section box below. And yes, thank you for showing lots of love on my previous video, which was hair donation video. If you haven't watched yet, I button must be coming here or somewhere here, I don't know, check it out. So keep supporting. I get motivated to make more videos. So thank you so much. And if you have watched till here, hit the like button. And those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe it. It's absolutely free. We get motivated to make more videos. So keep supporting, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Signing off right now. Take care. Bye-bye.